in the universe was music. Not the kind you hear, but tiny vibrating strings playing notes so small you'll never see the instrument. That's string theory in one line. Reality is made of ultra-tiny strings, and the notes they play become the particles we find. Picture a violin string. Pluck it one way, you get one note. Pluck it differently, new note. In string theory, each note is a particle. Electron, photon, gravity's messenger. Instead of little dots, I'm imagining microstrings, buzzing like rubber bands under a microscope we don't have yet. Why do this? Because our two best ideas don't get along. Einstein's gravity is like smooth jello space that curves. Quantum physics is like a disco of jittery dice rolls. Put them in the same room, the math argues. Strings act like referees, smear out those pointy dots into loops, and the infinities chill out. But strings need space, extra space, not just left right up down forward back. Think secret closets folded tighter than 1,000 origami cranes. I like to imagine an ant walking on a garden hose. From far away, the hose looks one-dimensional. Up close, the ant finds a whole wraparound playground. Those hidden directions can shape which notes are possible, like tuning pegs on the universe's instrument. And there's more, sheets called brains, giant membranes. Our whole cosmos could be a brain, like a soap film floating in a bigger bath. Gravity might leak between films, which could explain why it's so weirdly weak, like a speaker muffled by a wall. So is it true? The math is gorgeous, but nature doesn't sign NDAs. It needs evidence. Strings are unimaginably small, Planck scale small, so building a microscope for them is like trying to photograph a single atom with a potato. We look for fingerprints instead, particle collisions, echoes, and cosmic microwaves, tiny clues of extra dimensions. So far, teases, not confessions. Here's my takeaway. String theory is a map, elegant, ambitious, maybe right, maybe not. Even if the destination changes, the journey has birthed new math, new ideas, and fresh ways to stitch gravity to quantum. If the universe is music, I'm still listening for the chorus. And if it's not, the warm-up taught me new chords. That's the tune of Science Play Test Retune Repeat.